Book of Heaven, Volume 12, February 16th, 1921. In order to enter into the divine will, the creature must do nothing other than remove the little stone of her will. While I was thinking about the holy divine volition, my sweet Jesus told me,
"My daughter, in order to enter into my will, there are neither paths nor doors nor keys, because my will is everywhere. It flows under one's feet, on the right, on the left, above one's head, everywhere. The creature must do nothing other than remove the little stone of her own will, which, though it is there in my will, does not take part in, nor does it enjoy its effects, rendering itself as though a stranger in my volition. In fact, it is as if the little stone of her will prevented the water from flowing from the shore to run somewhere else, because the stones are blocking it. But if the soul removes the little stone of her will, at that very instant she flows into me, and I into her. She finds all my goods at her disposal: strength, light, help, whatever she wants. This is why there are no paths, nor doors, nor keys. It is enough to want it, and everything is done. My will takes charge of everything, and of giving her what she lacks, and it makes her wander freely within the interminable boundaries of my will. All the opposite for the other virtues. How many efforts are needed, how many struggles, how many long ways. And while it seems that the virtue is smiling at her, one passion a little bit violent, one temptation, one unexpected encounter, hurl her back and put her at the start to walk the way.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.